symmetry for a physicist?
We see around us in nature many different phenomena. And what we physicists try to do is to relate these different phenomena to each other. We try to look for patterns, like, for example, a square. Okay, the different corners of the square are equivalent. We physicists say, well, there's a symmetry between the four corners of the square. And so we use that idea of symmetry to relate different phenomena, different particles, different forces in the universe. Of course, the relations between them are more complicated than the four corners of the square, but it's the same basic idea that we use the symmetry to find a simplified description of all these different phenomena. So sometimes in nature, in fact most of the time in nature, we find that the symmetry is not exact. It's as if we found the broken pieces of a square lying on the ground, and we have to figure out how to put them back together so that the symmetry is obvious. If you imagine the broken pieces of a square, the symmetry is somehow there because the pieces, when you put them together, they have this symmetry. So how can we put that symmetry back together again? And that's, we think, where Mr. Higgs comes in.